Welcome everyone to our next online SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will check the assignment of accounting principle to ledger group. So use the transaction code SIMG here, press enter, go to financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, periodic processing, then go to evaluate here and here click on check assignment of accounting principle to ledger group. So here you can see the for IFRS leading ledger is assigned. So by this way you can check the accounting principle assignment to the ledger group or target ledger group here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.